Ever held a sheet of paper and thought, this used to be a tree? That homework sheet, your favorite book page, or even your grocery receipt all began in a forest. Let's break down the amazing journey from tree to paper. It all begins with trees, mostly softwood like pine or spruce, grown on managed tree farms. When they reach the right age, they're carefully cut down and transported to paper mills. Most companies today follow responsible forestry practices and replant trees to ensure sustainability. At the mill, the logs are stripped of their bark and chopped into small wood chips. These chips are then cooked in huge digesters with water and chemicals. This process breaks the wood down into a thick, mushy substance called pulp. This pulp contains the fibers that will eventually form paper. The pulp is washed to remove unwanted materials. If white paper is the goal, it's then bleached using eco-friendly agents that are safe and non-toxic. Next, the clean pulp is sprayed onto wide mesh screens. As the water drains, the fibers bond together, forming a thin, wet sheet. That sheet is passed through a series of heavy rollers that squeeze out even more water. Then it's sent through heated drying cylinders to remove any remaining moisture. Now dry, the paper is pressed and smoothed to the desired thickness and texture. Finally, it's rolled into huge reels, cut into sheets or rolls, and packaged for use in everything from books to notebooks to packaging materials. So, the next time you hold a piece of paper, remember, it's more than just a blank sheet. It's the result of science, engineering, and sustainability working together in harmony.